today we are going to talk about admissions to engineering college in Maharashtra. Alright, so essentially all this entire admission process is online, completely online. It happens on this website www.dtmaharashtra.gov.in/FE 2016. Your entire admission process, alright, as far as the engineering college in Maharashtra are concerned, happens on this website alone. Nowhere else you have to go. Now as far as schedule is concerned, your tentative schedule, it is divided in basically two phases. The first phase is kind of registration and merit list preparation, and second phase is actual admission rounds. When this process can start, this registration process can start right away. Alright, anytime they can open the portal. Alright, anytime they can open the portal. First thing you have to do is you have to collect the information brochure either from the facilitation center, or if you have internet access, you can download it from this website. Entire brochure you can download it and refer at home. You don't have to go for printed brochure. But in case you do not have that access, if you want to collect the printed brochure, you have to go to facilitation centers. Alright, now what are these facilitation centers? Facilitation centers are essentially many engineering colleges. I am sure you will find one engineering college nearby in your nearby locality. Alright, so you can approach to that facilitation center. Now these colleges include government aided, university managed, as well as private engineering college. So there are going to be plenty of facilitation center. Essentially this is your first point of contact. Alright, these guys are going to help you as far as filling up our application form or option form. Alright, essentially that is what they are supposed to do. These are facilitation centers or FCs. Alright, facilitation centers or FCs. Now you can collect your brochure there. The second step is online filling and confirmation of application form. Online filling and confirmation of application form. Alright, now remember here, when this process can start, this process can start immediately. Maybe in next week they will start it. Alright, as early as 15th or 16th May they might open up the portal. Now you do not have your 12th standard results with you. You do not have CET results with you. What are you going to do with this one? So essentially still you can go ahead, log in, create your application ID as well as password. Alright. Also you can fill in your basic data. The whole idea of opening up this portal early is basically so that you get familiar with this process. Your actual process will happen only after 2nd of June, after your CET results are out. Alright. However, meanwhile for 15 days you can get familiar with this website, this particular portal. Alright. So essentially that's what they are going to do. They are going to open up early this year so that you are familiar. Now which seats you can apply here? Alright, this is one single application form. What type of seats you can apply? You can apply to MS seats. What are MS seats? MS seats are Maharashtra state seats. Maharashtra state seats. Now who is eligible to apply for these seats? Only domicile of Maharashtra candidates can apply for these seats. Only domicile of Maharashtra candidates can apply for these seats. Now remember here, if you are born in state of Maharashtra, there is absolutely no need for you to go and get the domicile certificate. Your birth certificate with place of birth mentioned on it is sufficient. Alright, don't go after a domicile certificate. But those of you who have shifted to Maharashtra by choice, by residence whatsoever, those guys should procure the domicile certificate. If the candidate does not have domicile certificate, then either of the parent, father or mother, should have domicile certificate. Alright, that's what you are supposed to do. Also you can apply for All India seats. What are these All India seats? These seats are from within the same colleges, alright, but they are open for all India candidates. That means anybody from anywhere in India can apply for these seats. Alright, and that means including state of Maharashtra. That means if you are a Maharashtra domicile candidate, you can apply for MS seats as well as All India seats. Is this clear? If you are a Maharashtra domicile, you are eligible for both types of seats. If you are not a domicile of Maharashtra, then you are eligible only to apply for All India seats. Now these seats are not, we are not talking from All India seats from Bihar or Madhya Pradesh or wherever. These we are talking strictly about Maharashtra state. Alright, you are eligible to apply to both types of seats. In addition to these seats, this year there is a slight change, or you can call it as a major change. This year the minority college seats or minority seats in minority colleges, plenty of minority colleges are there in Mumbai University. Alright, so minority seats in minority college will also be filled by government through this cap. That means in addition to these MS seats, AI seats, you will also have minority seats which will be filled through cap. To what percentage we will talk as we move along. But just remember, for all these three types of seats, one single online application is there. All three types of seats, All India seats, MS seats and minority seats, one single application form is there.